What's up guys, Donnie here. My wife found an app for her iWatch. It's making me really jealous. Check it out. Yes, win. So back to the car, we can pretty much do everything we want on there. She go ahead and close it again.
Close, check.
She can even open the frunk from here. So if she has a lot of baggage, all she really has to do is get her watch out and open it herself. What's nice about ours is it's automatic, Frunk. It also works going down and closing all by itself. If you want to learn how to do that, I have another video. Check it out here on the upper left or right. You'll see how I installed the auto frunk opener and closer. Okay guys, you have many options on both the Android and the iPhone. In this case, we're going to be using the iWatch because my wife has that. So what you want to do is you're going to go on the App Store and search for an app called Watch for Tesla. There's more than one option, but in this case, you're going to click on this one here. It's actually going to cost $7.99. So once you pay for this and you install it like you normally do on your iWatch, and then this is going to be what you're going to see.
Hold on. You can also go to the Apple Store on the iWatch. And then you can just search Watch for Tesla. There.
Alright. So you can find it on the phone itself.
On the watch itself.
On the watch. You can find it on the watch itself by looking for that.
Okay, and then you download it. So you can edit the screen of the watch to how you want it. For mine, I have the climate on the upper left, I have the frunk on the lower left, and I have the trunk on the bottom right. And then when you click this red icon there, it shows you power, climate, frunk, lock, unlock, gives you information about the temperature inside the car, where the car is, it's charging right now.
Oh, you can edit the charging limit too. Nice.
You can edit the charging. Yeah. Okay, and then if you swipe to right, you have open trunk, unlock port, defrost, heat seaters, enable sentry, vent the windows, the location, flash, honk, and compass.
So it looks like you can pretty much do everything you normally do on the app, but on your watch.
Exactly. It makes it a lot easier, so you don't, for women, you don't have to dig through your purse looking for your phone or for that key card.
Nice.
So you can edit the home screen, so you long press, click edit, and then let's say bottom right. Oh, there, complications. You go to complications.
Complications.
Yeah. So here, color, you swipe, and then it's like, let's pretend the bottom left. You're gonna.
Oh, you can put whatever you want.
You can put whatever. What do you call it?
Dang, that's awesome. I am jealous.
So go to Watch for Tesla. You can put unlock if you want, and then here on the right side, if you wanna put, you can click more, and there's more. If you wanna do remote start.
Oh, enable sentry? You can turn on and off sentry? Wow,
yeah, so
I like it.
So you can put that up here if you want. You can go. Where is it? There. Go more. You can enable sentry. You can do home link.
Remote start, home link.
You can defrost.
Wow. That's awesome.
See? And then there.
Wow. That's awesome. So very cool app, guys. I'm going to have a bunch of alternatives down in the description below. Check it out for both iWatch and Android watches. I will try to get as many options for you as I can, and I'll list all the prices and all that for you guys. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. It'll really help the channel out. Just tap that like button, tap that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell. It'll really help me out. Also share this with someone who has a Tesla, or if you know someone who wants a Tesla and already has that watch or something. I'm sure they'll love it. Thank you so much, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.